In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the low fuel pressure sensor. The first step is to remove the fuel pump relay and start the engine. This burns off any fuel pressure in the lines. You want to let the engine die out on its own. Then you're safe to work. Next, disconnect the battery and move it out of the way to give yourself some room. Now we're going to move the hose out of the way. Next, remove the fuel pressure sensor connector. Now before we unscrew anything, put some rags under the sensor because fuel will leak out. Also, make sure the engine is cool. You don't want to be dealing with fuel on a hot engine. Now grab a 12mm open end wrench and hold the fuel rail. And use a 15/16 deep socket to unscrew the old sensor. Now remove it and install the new sensor. But first, according to ALLDATA, let's add some engine oil to the threads. You want to thread it in by hand and give it a good snug. Now reconnect the sensor connector, hose, fuel pump relay, and plug the battery back in, and that's it. If you want to learn how to test and verify the sensor is actually bad before replacing it, click here.